Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another video. Today, I am announcing my first giveaway. So all of you have been showing nothing but massive support to my channel, and this is my way of giving back to all of you, or at least 3 winners. We're going to be choosing 3 winners for this giveaway, and we partnered up with Colourlock. They make some phenomenal cleaning products for our leather interior in our BMWs. And guys, I gotta tell you, you don't want to just use anything off the shelf from like Walmart or Target to maintain our leather. We have genuine, like real leather on our BMW. And I tested it out first on my steering wheel. You can watch the video up here. And I did it. I cleaned my steering wheel with this mild leather cleaner shampoo, and I scrubbed it with this leather brush. And at the end of it, I just polished it up with this leather conditioner shield. And I gotta tell you guys, my leather steering wheel, M Sport steering wheel, just looks phenomenal. It literally cleaned up all that dirt and grime that you put on it on a daily basis, guys. So don't let your leather just sit there and just get messed up and look awful. Use the right products. Use the right products. Again, it makes a world of a difference. So for this giveaway, we're choosing 3 winners, and those 3 winners each will get a package similar to this, what I have. And it will be delivered to your door, and all you have to do is just click the link in my description and follow those 2 steps. And I'll tell you what those 2 steps are. 1, you gotta follow this channel, Bavarian, and 2, go follow Colourlock on their Instagram account. That's it. Once you do those 2 things, you'll be entered into this drawing, and 3 winners will be chosen on October 14th. So guys, go in my description, click that link, and be part of this giveaway. I am so excited. Again, guys, I am so grateful for all of you that I have chosen to support this channel, and this is my way of giving back. It's not going to cost you anything, just to do a few steps. That's pretty much it. And at the end of the day, you're going to get some cool cleaning products to maintain your leather in your BMW. So guys, thank you so much again. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, click that bell notification, and I'll catch you next week, family. Thank you again.